What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. What we're going to be doing today is actually cleaning my car. Now at the moment we're in February, and at this time of the year you may well know that it is impossible to keep your car clean for longer than a couple of days. So my car's looking pretty filthy right now. As you can see, I've got all the dirt build up there, and on the back of the car, all up the back there as well. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Just before we go ahead and start that video though, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for all the support you've been giving me on my previous videos as well. Just quickly, I'm going to put a card on the top screen now just saying, would you like me to strip out the back of my car? I've been sort of questioning whether to do it for the last week or so now, and that was what I was actually going to be filming today, but I've decided last minute against it. So we're going to clean the car, but hopefully you guys can give me some inspiration to do that if you want me to. Obviously if you don't want me to, then I won't do it. Alright, so let's jump straight into this video. First thing I'm going to need to do is actually get the pressure washer out of the garage and get all my cleaning products out as well. So I'll catch you in just a second. So what we've got is we've got a bucket, we've got a wash mitt, obviously your pressure washer, drying towel, and I'm just going to clean the bucket out, put some shampoo in there, and then what I'll do is just leave that to soak in there a minute. Now usually if it would be cold right now, luckily enough I've got the sun out. If it was cold, then I would just put warm water in there, obviously to keep your hands from freezing to death. So first thing I'm going to need to do is actually just get most of the dirt off using the pressure washer, get all the big chunks of dirt off, and then I'll go over the car using the wash mitt and the shampoo, and then we'll hose that down and then go from there. Just quickly before we go ahead and do that, I do appreciate I should be using a grit guard in the bucket, but unfortunately I don't have one at the moment. So quick disclaimer, don't get angry at me in the comments. My car's not in perfect condition in terms of paint, so I'm not going to worry about it this time. If for example I had like a brand new ST or something, then I probably would be using a grit guard, but I don't have one at the moment, so we're just gonna have to roll without it for now. Right, the first thing I actually like to do is just soak my wheels in the Hot Rims wheel and tyre cleaner. Now I did do a video on this, so if you haven't seen that, obviously go and check that out. I'll leave the card on screen now. But what I'm going to do is just make sure that I've got it spraying, and just spray it onto your alloys and wheels and tyres, or whatever you like to call them. Leave that to soak in a minute, fill up your bucket, sort out all your stuff, and then that will just hose it off and make them look really clean. So that one's soaked. I'm just going to go ahead and soak the rest now. You can see I've soaked that one, and I've soaked the other two tyres on the other side as well. So now what we're going to do is just carry on filling up the bucket, and then we're going to go over the full car using a jet washer. Just like I said, getting off any dirt that may scratch your paint whilst you're cleaning the car. Obviously get your wipers up as well. But yeah. Right, as you can see there, I've just gone over with the jet wash. I've got off quite a lot of dirt actually, so most of the time you can get off the sort of larger chunks of dirt, and then all you need to do is just go over with your wash mitt and shampoo, and then that will look looking nice and fresh. So we're just going to get the wash mitt now and go over the whole car with the shampoo and wash mitt. I always start on the roof and work my way down. Oh, that's cold. Once you're happy that you've cleaned it all, obviously then you need to go and hose it down using the pressure washer. Now once you've got to this stage, obviously your car's looking nice and fresh. What on earth is that? Oh, it's just a leaf. Once your car's looking nice and fresh, what you need to do then is obviously dry it somehow. Now I'm going to let it dry, and then what I'm going to do is go over with some detailer. So either way it doesn't matter too much. in terms of watermarks because I'll be wiping them off when I'm detailing it, but if you're not going to detail it, then obviously you need to dry it now because you're not going to get a load of watermarks. Once you're then happy that the car's there, dry or almost dried, what I use for detailing is just your Demon Shine. It's pretty cheap and it does quite a good job actually. So what I'm going to do is just spray this on and wipe it off, hopefully removing all the watermarks and leaving it with that detailed finish that the Demon Shine gives you. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do now. Obviously you just need to spray it on and wipe it off, nice and easy, and that should hopefully give us the shine on the So spray it all over. I'm just going to put that down a second, and then I've got my drying cloth here, and we're just going to rub that in just enough so that you're left with that nice shine. You can see all the metallic in the paint, and it cleans the car up quite nicely, as you can see. So that's what we're going to do over the whole car. It's a little bit difficult to do it whilst holding the camera, so I'm probably going to avoid that for a minute. So I'll come back to you once I've done that. As you can see, I've gone over the whole car now and it does look pretty clean. You end up with that sort of mirror effect. I don't know how the best way to show it is. If you look sort of there, you can see the stones against the car. So that's pretty much it. What I'll do now is I'll clean my alloys using, again, the shampoo with the water and the wash mitt. I'll go over the alloys and then I'll put some tyre stick on the tyres. But I'm going to have to do that really quick because I've just got to go out. So this is where I'm going to be ending the video here. It's been a bit of a random one today actually. I wasn't too sure about this video in the fact that it's just cleaning my car, so it's not really a mod or anything. I'm by all means not a detailer, so if I have done it wrong, obviously please just bear with me. Yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. If you have enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing if you are new around here, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.